MusicEDU.
In Session 4, we start out by discovering time signatures, including 3/4, 4/4 and 6/8 time. Students will need a basic understanding of the pulse of 6/8 time in order to play the main event piece. Additionally, students learn the structure of the major scale. This includes understanding the concepts of tones and semitones, and students write the scale out in the treble and bass clef staves. Students are also encouraged to play the C major scale both right and left hands. There are interactive presentations to accompany these activities on the website portal in Session 4, the facts. In the main event section for Session 4, there is an introductory paragraph about the double meaning of the term classical music, as well as an outline of all the periods of music. You'll find some examples of well-known pieces of music from these periods in the facts section of the website. There is also a listening activity linked to YouTube clips, which can be located in the same section of the website. The aim of the main event is to get everyone playing together as quickly as possible, despite their level of experience. There are 2 contrasting YouTube clips on the website portal for the main event piece. Allowing the students to watch this prior to attempting to play the piece is an easy way to integrate technology into the classroom. It increases the engagement and also improves the level of first-time success when playing, particularly amongst the less experienced students. There are 3 practice runs which will prepare students rhythmically and melodically for the main event piece. The beginner students will learn the lead part. You'll find an extension score for more advanced students to try in developing their multi-track recording skills or mastering some more difficult parts. The QR codes found on the main event piece link to a video showing how to play the song. The same video, along with videos for all the practice runs or shorter pieces, are found on the Keyboard Evolution website portal in Session 4, the main event, in the section called How Does It Go? Students are able to play the practice runs and main event pieces self-contained with their headphones on, using a beat or backing they have selected on the keyboard or software, or alternatively, there are backing tracks for each of these on the Keyboard Evolution portal and are found in Session 4, the main event. The first time you use the backing tracks for this session, it's advisable that you have everyone playing the melody. Once this has been mastered, having the advanced students play another part or another instrument is a great way to enhance engagement, and don't forget there is guitar tab in the appendix of the book for the main event song. The quick quiz is a recap of the session, and on the final page of the session you'll notice there is a checkbox for each of the key learning areas that have been covered. Teachers have the opportunity to make this a discussion point to ensure students are making the connections between what they have practically undertaken and the theoretical components covered during the session. The quiz can be taken online by the students, and the MusicEDU website will mark their answers and place their score in the teacher's classroom. The teacher can export the individual student or entire class results to an Excel spreadsheet. No marking required. If you need to take some shortcuts in this session, you can save class time by getting the students to watch some of the interactive presentations and YouTube clips prior to coming to class. Setting time limits on how long they have to undertake the practical components, such as the practice runs, will keep the class moving along as well. The quick quiz can be completed as homework, as all the answers to the questions can be found within the session. You'll find the suggested answers to the quick quiz in the Teachers Resources section on the Keyboard Evolution portal. If you have some students who need extending, you'll be able to get them working on their own arrangement of the main event piece using the extension scores, or to multi-track record several of the parts. There is an extension activity on the website portal, and in this instance is an additional listening task related to Dvorak's Largo. In the appendix of the book, there is an arrangement of Dvorak's Largo giving you another repertoire piece to work with if you would like to expand this session further. You'll find the backing track for this piece in the appendix tab on the website.